This instructional video focuses on creating the layout on a new page in the eResource Center. So we've signed in, we're on the Planning Hub, and we're on its home page. We've created a new page. We have a video that shows you how to do that. Now that we've created this new page or created the link to a new page, we now have to build the new page. So we click on Create a New Page. And we're now on a page that says the page doesn't exist. We have to use one of the templates. In this program, we're not using any of these templates, but we hit Create New Empty Page. We've now created that page and we want to save it. Now that it's saved, we have to think about what kind of template that we want to use relative to the other parts of the project. For instance, if we go to our home page, you will see that this is a 3-column page. On other sites, we have a 2-column page. I think we have one on the Knowledge Center. Here's a 3-column page again, and then we actually have a modified 3-column page on Advanced Manufacturing, where we have 2 columns and a small break in one here. So we have a couple of different ways that we can do this. For this instructional video, we're going to focus on a 3-column page on this new page that we created. What we want to do first is go find the coding and the directions on how to create that page. So we simply go up to our search and we say create 3-column page. And you can see our search engine gives us searching in our Information Center, Planning Hub, the IM, and the Forum. This is our Knowledge Centers, we call it the public site. And here you see we have a Create 3-column page that we can quickly click on. And it gives us a how-to recipe that was developed by Jeff Alpern. We have a series of things that are covered in this video, in this how-to recipe. And then what we want to do after we've read all of this and understand the markup framework, we just go grab the text and we copy it. And then we want to go back to our page. And so now we're going back to our Planning Hub, home page, and create new page. Now in this case, instead of using Edit GUI, we're going to go ahead and use Edit Text. And the reason for that is that we're adding the actual coding language that we've copied. So now I am pasting that information onto this page. I now can go into GUI mode and see what it looks like. So the minute we head into GUI mode, suddenly you get all of the editing features that you're used to. You have the different headings as you're used to. And then I can go ahead and take off Describe, Create New Page here and save the changes. And I should have 3 different columns. So here's our page title and our 3 different columns. From here you can stay in the GUI mode and you can simply hit Return and add your text as you'd like to. Again, the same thing here. You just can go in and change the name of this so that you can now say 3rd column. And remember, you're staying away from all of the text. I have this in a heading mode. I just have to turn it back to normal mode. All of these are staying away from the yellow macros and providing you space to do the work that you need to do. So when we save these changes, you can see you still have your page title. We've made our changes in the 3rd column. We've added a little text here. This one has added a little indentation. So when we go back to Edit GUI, we can say, do we really want that indentation or not? If we don't, we take it away. If we want to add it again, we'll hit bullets. We can add numbers, move it around. And so we've got our different columns, and as long as we stay in between the yellow bars, all of this will be in the 2nd column, all of this will be in the 1st column, and all of this will be in the 3rd column. Anything below the table will be outside of the columns and sit at the very bottom. So if you put something extra at the end, you can see that it now is in a different font and it's outside of the different columns. So that's why those yellow macros are so important to help you. That should get you started on laying out a new page that you've created on the eResource Center.